It's time for phase 4. Time to replace this monitor to a better monitor. Yeah, this one is the HP W2207H. And it's yeah, it can do vertical. But since it's pretty old, it's time for me to replace it. I mean, my brother had this for a long time, since for decades. I would say, yeah, more than a decade. So I'm gonna replace this to a new monitor. So we're gonna go window shopping. I don't know about this one. The AOC, actually, I used to have an AOC before, so it's not a bad monitor. But I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna window shop for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna go less than 240 hertz because I don't think my gaming rate is gonna go past 240. 200 frames per second. And I mean, it's gonna go under 100 frames per second anyway. So we'll see. We'll just have to. I'm just gonna have to window shop for a moment, and then when I decide, I'm gonna have to buy it today at Micro Center. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go. Since I'm pretty close by, I'm gonna buy it over here and then go drive over there. Alright, so I'm gonna window shop for a moment. I think I need to clean my desktop. Oh yeah, we're gonna talk about these, and that product. It's been 2 decades. So we'll see you in a bit. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate because I picked up a 180 hertz monitor. I was supposed to get, I wanted to get the 240 hertz monitor, but right now my graphics card is not gonna go over 100 or 120 frames per second, so I'm just gonna stick to that. Plus, it's an ASUS RG Strix. I already ordered it right now, so I'm gonna wait till 11:10. So it's close to my house. Well, it's probably 15, 18 minutes away. So I'm gonna drive over there at Micro Center. So I'll be right back as soon as I get the monitor. Damn, this monitor is too damn big. It's not gonna fit inside my car. Yeah, it's not gonna fit inside my car. Guess I'm gonna have to strap it up on the top of my car. I'm just kidding. You're going in.
Please go online, call, or scan before it's too late. No animal should ever go hungry. And I know you agree.
And I'm that animal, and I'm hungry. Anyways, it's time to
Go online, call.
open this. Oh yeah, I can't use one hand. I'll be right back. Sorry if it took down for a long time, but here it is. Everything is good. As I said before, I don't need a 240 hertz refresh rate because, I mean, look at that. Look at the frame rate right now. It's not gonna go over 130, 150, especially with this game. Yeah. Okay. So it's not too bad. I mean, look at the view. Just kidding. Ah. Anyways, you know what? I do like the monitor. There was a difference between VA and IPS. I never knew about that before, but in terms of quality, this one is actually good. Especially this is a curved monitor, a little bit curvy, but this is actually good. I like it. The only problem that I had is with the Helldivers. When I full screen it, the frame rate drops to 30 frames per second if I put it on full screen. But this one, the Throne and Liberty, I'm not on Windows mode. Yeah, I had to do Windows mode on Helldivers too, but on Throne and Liberty, I put it on full screen, so it's not lagging or anything. Whoop. Whoop. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna show you real quick on the Helldivers. Hang on. That's weird. It wasn't lagging anymore. And this one is on full screen, as a matter of fact. Display, it's on native, full screen. Graphics, ultra settings. So yeah, when I first connected it, restarted it, and it was lagging. It was going under 40 frames per second. And yeah, I'm having a hard time with the, playing with it. But when I put it on Windows mode, it went over 100 frames per second. But now, when I open it up again a few hours later, it's back to normal on full screen. What is up with you, Helldivers? You're giving me a hard time. Yeah. But I guess it's okay now. So, there you go. I didn't get the 240 hertz refresh rate monitor, but I got over 100 for I got a 180 hertz refresh rate monitor, and yeah, I didn't get the IPS monitor type. Like I said, I didn't know about those, but I'm pretty much satisfied with this one. So, yeah. Ain't that right, soldier? Yeah. So, anyways, I gotta need to change this suit. Oh no, wait. I gotta deal with those flying things, that acid fire thing. But yeah, my fourth phase is done, and my final phase will be either changing the power supply and the motherboard because my threads on the AMD is not going to its potential, full potential, because I have the ASUS Rock. It was a cheap one, so that's the only thing that's holding up the processor. Or I'm gonna get the liquid cooling, the AIO. I'll look into that. We'll see what's up. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoy the show. We'll see you on the final phase.